Mastering second conditional. Using would for hypothetical situations. Hello, English language learners. Welcome back to our series on English grammar. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of second conditional sentences. More specifically, we're going to discuss how we use the word would for hypothetical situations. This can truly elevate your English skills, and I am thrilled to guide you through this journey. The second conditional is an important part of English grammar. It helps us talk about unreal or hypothetical situations. The structure of a second conditional sentence typically involves two parts: the if clause and the main clause. The if clause uses the past simple tense, and the main clause uses would, could, or might, followed by the base form of the verb. Example: if I had $1 million, I would travel the world. Here, the use of would in the main clause makes the sentence hypothetical. It gives us the freedom to dream and imagine situations that are not real or likely to happen. Would is the most commonly used modal verb in the second conditional. It's used to talk about things that are hypothetical, imaginary, or unlikely to happen. The important point to remember is, would is always followed by the base form of the verb, no matter what the subject is. Examples: if I were a bird, I would fly high in the sky. If she had more time, she would write a book. In both examples, would, followed by the base form of the verb, fly, write, creates a hypothetical scenario. Even though would is commonly used in second conditional sentences, sometimes we also use could or might to express possibility or ability in hypothetical situations. Examples: if I had more time, I could learn a new language. If it rained tomorrow, we might stay at home. And that wraps up our discussion on using would in second conditional sentences for hypothetical situations. It's a powerful tool to enhance your English communication, especially when discussing unreal or unlikely scenarios. I hope this video has been helpful and that you are now more comfortable with this aspect of English grammar. Remember, practice is key. So, don't forget to write and speak using the second conditional, and see how your English skills improve. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.